Hi everyone. So you need for this a plastic bottle, the big size. Cut it half as shown and cover this with white glue and newspaper. And leave it to dry. Here, now you can see it's all dry. I covered the inner part with tissues. It was much more easier to cover it from inside with tissues instead of newspapers. And here I am taking maybe 8 or 9 pieces of cardboard to make a thick piece of wood according to the size of the bottle you need. But you will draw first the size of the bottle on the cardboard and then draw around this a little bit bigger size of wood to give it the shape of a wood actually. Here, keep cutting the cardboard according to the same first piece size like this. Stick it with hot glue. Here, now it's all done. You can see how it's thick. Now you need to cover the sides with tissue and the glue again. You just need to cover the sides or the edges of the cardboard to make it look clear like this. Take a piece of newspaper and twist it like this, and then you need to cover all the bottle part with these twisted newspapers. The reason I covered the bottle with newspapers was this, because if I apply the hot glue on single bottle, the bottle will melt. So for this I covered the all bottle with newspapers, so it saves it from melting. And now all these twisted newspapers you will stick around the bottle. So friends, please support my channel by subscribing. Give me a thumbs up and share my videos with your family and friends. So your encouragement is very important for me to continue my work, and I hope you will do so. Yeah, here it's all done now. You can see I covered all the bottle. And now this is a styrofoam ball. If you don't have, you can stick any other normal ball or any handle over it like this. And now you need to cover all this part of the bottle as well with glue and with tissues. You can use newspaper as well, but for me I thought the tissues will be much better and easier. Yeah, here all these two parts are dry now. And for this the bottle part, you need to cover it now, color it with this color. Actually it was orange color. I added a little bit dark brown in it to give it a little bit different shade. I don't know what color exactly is this, or maybe mud color, dark, or I don't know, whatever. And now in this one I will add a little bit light brown color to apply this on the wood part. Here I will apply many different shades of the colors, acrylic paints I'm using all, to give it a little bit look of the wood piece. Here it's all done. Now in the middle part I am applying mustard color, and I am using all these colors while they are wet. If they are dry they will stay separate, but I'm applying all these colors over each other to mix them or to blend them together to give a little bit exact like the wood shade. Here you can see it's all wet and they are blending with each other. And here I have a golden acrylic paint to make the mustard color a little bit less here. And now after this, and you can see I'm using the same brush. It doesn't matter, you need to change the brush every time. Now I'm applying black acrylic paint on the sides or the edges of the wood. Here both pieces are dry now completely, and now I will use black, dark brown or black, you can say, on the sides of the wood piece as well. And here you can see I was using a little bit gray and white lines on this piece just to check which one will look nice, but I found in the last that black is much more better than the gray and white lines you see on the bottle piece. So this is just like you need to draw it like bricks, or you can say the rope when they make the baskets. Between the baskets you see there are some lines, the threads they're using, so I'm giving it just like that, the look. And here is golden acrylic paint, which I will use between the lines where were the twisted newspaper. On that space between each twisted newspaper you will apply the golden acrylic paint. After it's dry I am going to use my clay, paper clay or cardboard clay or egg cartoon clay I made in previous video, and I will use this shape of leaf. But this shape I didn't like much, so after I apply these leaves over the bottle I will give them some proper leaf shape with the knife as well, and some of them I need small pieces of leaf. So now apply white glue on back side of the leaves and cover the bottle with small and big leaves. Here you can see now I'm giving them some leaf shape by a knife, giving them some details of leaves, and here it's all done. Now here I will apply some white glue on every part of the leaves, and I don't know where I was doing, my hand was covering the camera, and take the same clay and apply it over the white glue to give it a tree or branches shape. These are actually the branches here. you can see now, and apply the clay over the glue. Okay, now it's all done, and I will take my glue and I will apply over the branches and the leaves to secure them and to give them a smooth look as well. Once it's done, of course you need to color them. I'm using dark brown acrylic paint for the branches, and for the leaves I will use green color acrylic paint. Okay, for some thin branches I am not using clay, I'm just using the brush and the paint to draw some thin or small branches as well, instead of making them prominent too much. Here you can see, here I'm just using paint instead of clay. Okay, and for the leaves, dark green acrylic paint. And once the green color dry, I will apply some light green color shade over the leaves as well to make them prominent. Here some bright green acrylic shade over the leaves, just a little bit. Okay, now here you can see it's done, and I have some light brown acrylic paint. I added some little bit white to make it a little bit light shade for the branches, also to make them prominent. Here you can see they are much more clear now. The top part I will do it dark brown acrylic as well. And here I am using again some small leaves of clay around this wood piece I made. And color them with green acrylic as well. And here is one pine cone, a dry one, which I will stick over the top part of the bottle. And here are some dry beads as well I made from the clay. I will stick them because they are dry, so I am using the hot glue to stick them. If you like, you can leave these like this blue color, like blueberries, but I will change the color into red. And here it's done, you can see now. And here are some bottle covers which I will stick together like this to put it under the wood piece to make it a little bit higher, so it's easy to carry like this. Okay, now I will apply some white glue around the covers, bottle caps, and I will stick this paper clay around the covers, and then I will color it dark brown as well. Once it's all done and dry, spray it transparent spray to give them some shine and glow. Here you can see it's all done. You can use it as a room decor just like this, or you can display something inside. As a cheese dome you can use it. You can put some candies or chocolates with wrappers, of course, and cover it, or anything, or you can leave it just like this. Here you can see I'm just using small plate of biscuits in it. That's just my idea. If you doesn't like, you can skip this step. Thanks for watching. Bye.